In the name of Almighty Allah, I am going to start my online class today. First of all, I would like to exchange greetings with you. My dear students, how are you? Have a nice morning to you. I expect all of you are healthy and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also okay by His grace. Now, I want to introduce myself to you. I am Muhammad Nurul Mustafa, Senior English Teacher, Chokoria Kurok Vidyapith, Cox's Bazar. Dear students, today we shall be discussing about English second paper, class 9 and 10. Our today's target point is take questions. The other name of take question is question tag. Today's topic related lesson will be discussed by me, such as example of take questions, definition of take questions, kinds of take questions, different rules of take question. I shall try my level best to focus you on these grammatical points so that you all can understand these topic related lesson clearly and properly. Now I am going to give two examples on the whiteboard. Please write down two examples in your English exercise book. Number one, example number one, fishes can swim. Example number two, fishes cannot fly. Dear student, first of all, I want to clarify both of these examples so that you will be clear about my discussion. Suppose in this class I am a speaker because I am speaking about something. You are listeners or audience because you are listening to me. Dear students, fishes can swim. It is my statement. In this field, I am a speaker, but you are audience. Second example, fishes cannot fly. Both are produced by me. Both of the statements of mine, but you are listening with right attention. Now, I want to make take questions by using these statements as a speaker. As a speaker, I want to have support or information from you as an audience. For this purpose, I want to add questions in favor of mine with a view to having the support from you. Now, I would like to add questions. The statements is in the form of affirmative. The question will be negative. In this sentence, there is a modal auxiliary verb of can. Can will be changed into can't. The subject is plural. We shall have to use there in place of plural subject fishes. there. Dear students, these are tech questions which has been added after the statement of the speaker. In the example number 2, the statement of the speaker is in negative form. The tech question must be affirmative form. Can't will be changed into can. Or fish, in place of fish, I still have to use the there, can there. Dear students, now I going to give you the definition after watching over these two types of example. In order to have or get support from the audience, the speaker usually adds a question after the statement X, for example, can't there, can there, both are tech questions. The clear definition of the tech question will be, while speaking, the speaker want to have support from the audience on behalf of his statement. He usually adds a question after his statement. These questions are called tech questions. Dear student, I want to clarify you the word tech question. Tech question means to add questions. Where do we add the questions? After the statement of the speaker, we must add the tech questions. After analyzing both of these examples, tech question can be classified mainly into two types. Kinds of tech question. Number 1, positive tag. Number 2, negative tag. Dear students, on the basis of the characteristics or criteria of the statement of the speaker, tag question can be classified into two types. Number 1, positive tag. Number 2, negative tag. When do we use positive tag? When do we use negative tag? Let us discuss about this area. If the basic sentence is in negative, the tag question must be positive. If the basic sentence or the basic statements or the statement of the speaker is in positive, the tag question must be negative. From this discussion, we have come to know that obviously two types of question are available in our discussion. Now I am going to discuss the importance elements of the tag questions. Dear students, there are four important elements of take question. Now, let us discuss these elements. Important elements of take questions. Elements of take questions. Number one, given statement. Then comma. After this, there will be take questions. In the last, there will be note of interrogation. Interrogation. Dear students, if we want to make take questions, we must need four elements. We shall have to use four elements. First of all, we shall have to use given a statement or sentence. Then we shall have to use comma. Then we will have to use take question. The end of the sentence, we shall have to use note of interrogation. Four elements are crying needs in making a take questions, without which we can never make a take questions. Dear students, listen to my lecture with direct attention. Look at the whiteboard very carefully and attentively. Now, I want to discuss how to make a take questions correctly. At the time of making take question, we should remember that first of all, we should emphasize on three things. Number one, the subject of the given statements, the tense of the given statements, or the statement is affirmative or negative. If we keenly notice three things, our take question will never be mistaken. We must make successful take questions. Dear student, now we are going to learn different rules of take questions, which are very important for us. Different rules of take question. Rule 1. Take questions of to be and to have verb. Take questions of to be and to have verbs. Dear student, before going to main discussion, how to make take question by using to be verbs or to have verbs. At first, we should have clear idea about the to be verbs. Which are to be verbs? To be verbs. Let us identify the to be verbs. Please write down the to be verbs in your English exercise book. To be verbs. The present form of to be verbs am, is, are. The past form of to be verb was, were. Dear students, then I go to the to have verb. To have verbs. To have verbs has, have, had. These are to have verbs. Dear students, both types of verb can be used as a auxiliary verbs and as a main verbs in the statements or the sentence. As for example, write down please. Now I am going to write down the example by using to be verbs as a main verb. Number 1, I am happy now. I am happy now. In these statements, am has been used as a main verb. Why has it used as a main verb? Because am has not helped to form the sentence by using voice or tense. Am has not been used to form voice or tense. That is why it is main verb. If we see am in the statement of the speaker, in this regard, we will make the question by using am. But we should remember that am changes into are. If the statement is in affirmative form, the take question must be negative form. Aren't I? Now I going to give another example by using to be verb as auxiliary form. Number 2, I am writing a letter. But am has been used as auxiliary verb because it has been helped to form present progressive tense or present continuous tense. That is why am is auxiliary verb. At the time of making take questions by using both types of verb as a form of auxiliary or main, both types of verbs will be the same according to the rules of take questions. Am will be aren't I. The another example is going to be given by me, that another number 3, Karim is a Bright student. Bright student. We shall have to use the auxiliary verb or the main verb. Both of the verbs are used in the sentence. As the both form, we shall have to use both types of verbs in the take question. Is, will change into isn't. If the subject is proper noun, we shall have to use the pronoun in place of the given noun. He. The pronoun of the Quran will be he. Example number 4. They were absent from the meeting. What will be the questions? We shall have to use the to be verb where the given statement is in affirmative form. The type question will be turned into negative. Why aren't there? Or the pronoun there, it, there will never be changed in forming the take questions. Dear student, remember it. It, there will never be changed at the time of making take questions. Please remember it. Dear student, look at the whiteboard, please. I would like to draw your kind attention with another examples including to have verbs. X for example. X for example, number 1, I have a lot of money. In these statements, have has been used as a main verb. Besides this, use can be used as a usual form or unusual form. Usual form or unusual form. In the statement, the verbs have, has, had are used in the statements. We shall have to use these to have verbs in making the questions. Have will be haven't. Haven't I? We can make the questions in another form according to the rule of tense. Have, it is a base form of verb. The sentence is including simple present tense. According to tense, if we want to make take questions, the take question will be, we shall have to use the auxiliary verb by using the present form of the verb. Do. The statement is in affirmative, the take question will be negative. Don't I. Both of the two questions are correct form. Dear student, then I would like to draw another. I would like to draw your kind attention with another roles too. Take question of modal auxiliary verbs. Take questions of modal auxiliary verbs. What are modal auxiliary verbs? First of all, we should have the clear idea about the auxiliary verbs. Write down please the auxiliary verbs. The modal auxiliary verbs are can, could, shall, should, will, ought, may, might, must, ought to, dare not, need not, ought, better, ought, rather, had, better, had, rather, etc. Dear student, listen to me. If we want to make attack questions by using modal auxiliary verbs without three verbs, verbs number 1, 3, 5th. The three forms of the verbs must be changed. As a form of can, will be can't, shall, will be shan't, will, must be owned. Without three verbs, the rest of the verbs will never be changed. In the tag question, at the time of making tag questions, X for example, we ought to obey our parents. How do we make the questions? By using modal auxiliary verb. We shall have to use the modal auxiliary verbs. Ought changes into oughtn't, or our subject will never be changed. Oughtn't we must, love our country. Type question must be Mazon too. Mazont oi. Another what is take questions and maybe it may rain today. Mayn't it? Korim need not. Good year. We shall have to use need not modal auxiliary verbs in making take questions. The statement is in negative, take question must be affirmative. Need not will change into need. Need he. Dear students, now I am going to another rule. Rule 3. Take questions of imperative sentence. Take question of imperative sentence. First of all, we should know about the definition of imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is a type of sentence which indicates the meaning of command, order, request, prohibitions, advice, proposal or permission. X for example number 1, do the work. It is imperative sentence, it is one kind of orders. 2, don't tell a lie. It is also imperative sentence, it indicates the meaning of prohibition or advice. Number 3, always speak the truth. This imperative sentence gives us clear idea about the advice. It denotes the meaning of advice. 4, please give me some money. It is a imperative sentence including polite submission, request. Dear students, after observing these 4 sentences or 4 examples, we have come to know that there are 2 types of imperative sentence. One is affirmative imperative, another is negative interrogatives. If we want to make the type question by using both types of the imperative sentence, the take questions must be the same. We shall have to use both of the forms of the take questions in place of both of the forms of the statements, given statement, we shall have to use will you or won't you. Will you or won't you? Will you or won't you? Will you or won't you? Dear students, if the imperative sentence is started with let us, for example, let us settle, to settle the dispute. In this regard, we shall have to use shall we in place of let us. Shall we? If the imperative sentence is started with let me, let him, let them, let her, let me, let him, let them, let her say about this issue. In this field, we shall have to make that equation by using will you in place of let me, let him, let them, let her. Will you? Dear students, today I want to wrap up my class by giving homework or giving thanks. Please write down home tasks for tomorrow. Home tasks for tomorrow, home tasks. Make tag questions of these statements. Number 1, fishes cannot fly. Number 2, I'm very happy now. Number 3, the driver dare not drive at a foggy night. These are selected for homework. Dear students, in fine, I want to give you so much thanks for sharing with me about today's class. Thank you too much. Goodbye. See you again.